Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can install your Impact Badge onto your Shopify e-store. Over here, you can choose the different Impact Badge design that you would like. I'm going to go for the fixed badge. You can also choose to customize the description or go for the default. So I'm going to go for the default. We also allow you to further modify the look of your Impact Badge to something that you would prefer. Over here, you can also choose a curved border, or the border color or the background color. Once you're done with that, go ahead to save. After which, you can copy the code and go onto your Shopify backend. Over here, under an online store, select the themes option and go to edit code. Over here, choose the theme liquid and simply paste it wherever you would like. Over here, I'm going to paste it under my body and I'm going to save it. Once that is done, go to your online store and you should see it appear at the bottom. Now these matrix will alternate between the number of trees you have planted and the carbon absorbed.